56-volt Ego wireless. Cordless Hedge trimmer. Maybe some of you are like me. Why buy the okay one to find out that it's just not gonna do the job for you? So this is $50 more than the Ryobi 40 volt. They all play the game with like a series of tools you can use the same batteries for. Definitely keen on the snowblower. I've never had one. But it seems like torque and power are always a positive thing. So this is also the only one that's claiming an inch thick cut for branches. The other ones are 3/4 inch pretty much across the board, maybe 1/2 inch for the super lightweights. Yeah, it's quite an investment at $200, but I also, after YouTube, you review stuff and you become a part of that community. And thank you to all the reviewers. But from my experience, nobody really got into what is it actually capable of. Cars seem to grab everything. So no matter the size or what it is, cherry tree, all the smaller stuff, some of the smaller goodies, it just pulls it into those teeth and teaches it a lesson for sure. Very impressed. And I think it's a totally worthy investment. You definitely can't have something already in the teeth and when you pull the trigger it just stops. I think I demonstrated that. And it'll just gobble things up. You might have to give it a little shimmy every once in a while to really let the teeth do their work.
Might have to give it a little shimmy every once in a while.
Yes, I know. It's brand new, and yes, I know the blades are probably as sharp as they'll ever be. Yeah, full green. I think that turns to orange and then red and then flashing red is from what I understand. So, an entire hedgerow, plus or minus some things that may or may not have been in the manual as far as what you should put in there. But being completely honest, I say I don't really have that much experience to draw on. This has been my machine right here. When you're interested in not spending all day and dinging up your forearms, have shit fall on your head, Edward Scissorhands. That thing did not miss a beat at all, honestly. I think it was a little scary. You know what, Bean? Bean. The rabbits are more exposed now, Bean. They live in there. So it's all good. I'm done rambling.